So over the years, this is a worn roller Fairlead, and believe it or not, it's actually kind of hard to get. It's $119, and I've refurbished it several times, but you can see now it's just beyond the point of return, basically. I mean, it was still working, but it's all freaking bent up. So this morning I was stretching out the line and cleaning out the drum and so forth, and wrapping it under load nicely. And then because Scott got his new roller Fairlead, I had given him an older roller Fairlead some time ago. So he gave me that back. This is in really good shape right here. All the clips are on. We'll probably oil these rollers up a little bit. And the idea is to mount it back up, put the isolator in, add the LED light that I have mounted on the Fairlead again, and get this thing back up to snuff. So taking advantage of the day off today to get some more positive things done on Recon 1. Okay, it's going pretty well. A lot of times when you change your roller Fairlead out, if you use this license plate bracket that has these clips behind here that clip on the rollers, there's adjustments in there, and the rollers were slightly wider, so I had to separate the license plate from the bracket, then adjust the clamps farther outboard so that it fits the roller nice. But I'm very pleased with that. So now I'm just looking at putting some spacers underneath this light to lift it up a little bit, and then rerun the wire and plug it in. So home run, got the line all wound nicely on the spool, nice and tight. Just getting it ready for the next run. All right, roller Fairlead is installed. Everything's nice and tight. License plate bracket fits perfectly. Very pleased. Came out really nice.